Yo, guys, in efforts of Nike and Jordan trying to, kind of revamp their brand, kind of getting things back to normal in the sense, they've been dropping a bunch of different colorways. I'm talking about OG colorways, all types of stuff that definitely make people want to go out and grab some things from Nike and Jordan brand. But it comes to a point where you start touching certain colorways that look like, the original thing, which you kind of ultimately hurt at the end of the day. That's what we're gonna be talking about today's video, man. Maybe with all these, new Jordans that we have gotten confirmed from Nike and Jordan, they could potentially be hurting this one because we haven't seen it in its true OG form in a very long time. We gotta talk about today's video, man, and hopefully you guys see exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to Jordan, when it comes to Nike. But I think you guys will. Y'all agree with your boy DeVintage, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into yet another video, man. It is always greatly appreciated, man. I mean that from the bottom of my heart, man. Thank you guys so much. I was gone for 2 weeks, but you guys seen lately, man, we've been back to back with the content. And I just feel like, lately my content is more geared towards, get you guys feedback, kind of chop it up with you guys in the comment section because, I ain't showing you guys, saying early sneaker every time. I ain't talking about topics that don't allow you to, comment in the comment section. So you guys can be completely honest when we do come up and talk about certain topics, especially like these, when we're talking about some OG colorways that, Nike could potentially be hurt, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you already know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. All that being said, man, we're gonna jump right into today's topic. So like I said in the intro, man, we're gonna be getting the Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85s. We're gonna be getting the Air Jordan 4 White Cements. We're gonna be getting a bunch of those Air Jordan, OG colorways, especially one that's highly notable lately that I didn't think we were gonna get a lot of buzz was the metallic fives. I remember picking them joints back up in the day, and they weren't selling out like super fast, but people still respected the metallic Air Jordan 5s. And now we're gonna be getting in 2025, so a bunch of different stuff, but something that we have gotten rumored, or not rumored, it's confirmed, bro. It's confirmed that we're gonna be getting another Air Jordan 1, and when I tell y'all, or y'all should probably already know what I'm talking about, man, when it comes to colorways that look true to one of them OG colorways, if you do too much to it, you kind of might end up hurting at the end of the day because we haven't seen it in so long. And you guys should know exactly what they are with all the buzz and the news that's been going around social media, and that is the Union to LA Air Jordan 1s confirmed for 2025. And I had to bring up the lost and found guys right here because you guys know this is, a Chicago colorway, but it isn't in its true OG form. We got the age look on the heel, we got the age, leather on the side panels, the worn out look on the bottoms. So we have not gotten that true OG form in Chicago since what, 2012? When the last time a pair of Chicago dropped? You guys let me know in the comment section. I know some true Air Jordan 1 lovers out there. I love Air Jordan 1s as well, but I honestly didn't start buying a bunch of Air Jordan 1s until I would say about 2020 or 2019, when it was a little bit easy accessible to get them joints. I started falling in love with the colorways and stuff like that. But with these Air Jordan 1 Union to LA's, bruh, pretty much in Chicago, bruh. So first, you guys know we had the Storm Blue Union LA's. Then they transitioned to like a black toe-ish colorway, and now they're gonna be messing with the Chicago Air Jordan 1s with the, pretty much the Chicago, but when it comes to the upper, of course, they kind of mismatch the colors and stuff like that, and all upper is it's gonna be all gray, man. So something different, something that definitely is gonna bring some buzz. But when it comes to, Union in LA, they dropped some 4s, they dropped some 1s. I also believe they dropped some 2s, but of course, the talk of the talk, the hype all around town, of course, is the Air Jordan 1s. I did check them out a couple times. I don't know the official colorway, the official name and stuff. We'll put a picture up here. Shout out to Z Sneakerheads, shout out to Sneaker Files, shout out to all the people that put out the colorway, put up the mock-ups and stuff like that. I was super interested in getting the way things have been going, bro. The way things have been going, and the way that I see things going into 2025, your boy is gonna be spending a lot of money. Like, I honestly said this might be the last year that I need to go out and get things. But now it seems like Jordans, they heard me. They heard us cry. They heard us, comment in the video saying, yo, he's trash. Stop dropping this, stop dropping that. Give us what we really want. And now we're gonna be getting stuff like, Chicago, Unit, LA joints. and we're gonna be getting a bunch more heat, bro. Like, I'm talking about is heat after heat after heat. It's enough shoes next year that I feel like if I just had some rough estimate in my head, like it's already in the $4,000 to $5,000 price range, and that's just on the low side of things. I think it might be a little bit higher because it is a lot of things dropping. But if you guys are still watching today's video, I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section. Comment it down below right now. What is your #1 priority cop for 2025? And for me personally, man, just taking a look at all the sneakers that have been, confirmed. For me personally, you know what I'm saying? I know we're predominantly talking about Jordan, but my go-to #1 sneaker next year that I'm going to be definitely putting all my efforts towards, and if it's like a normal Foamposite, is the Galaxy joint. So hopefully Galaxy joints is not a fluke. Hopefully it does happen. Hopefully it don't get pushed back, but it has been confirmed as of now. So going into the All-Star break, man, and that's pretty much the beginning of the year, that is my #1 shoe to grab in 2025. So again, let me know down in the comment section what your go-to sneaker is for 2025, man. So back to the Chicago looking UNLAs. I am all here for it, bruh. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's popping off in 2025. Hopefully we make it to 2026. But all these shoes that's dropping, bruh, I'm already knowing it's gonna be some problems as far as people, say, yo, if I go get these shoes or if I go get this gas in the car. Like, I'm telling you right now, it's been times where, I've heard people say, I'm either getting these shoes or I ain't getting nothing. I'm eating noodles for the rest of the week. It's people like that, it sucks to hear it, but it's honestly true. But I know next year, bro, people gonna be putting some coins, putting some dollars, putting some bills to the side to cop all this heat we're getting in 2025, man. And if y'all had to rate all 3 of the UNLA Air Jordan 1s that they have dropped, I think it was just 3, because they did drop some low tops, if I'm not mistaken. But the top 3, of course, the Storm Blue joints, the black toes, and the Chicago looking ones, man. Please let me know which one you think is #1, 2, and 3. Me personally, I definitely gotta go black toe, then Chicago. Then we'll put the Storm Blues to the back burner. I do want all 3 of them, so hopefully here shortly you guys see some unboxing, some heat popping up on the channel. But just as of right now, man, I can't see myself spending $1,000 on a pair of shoes. Even though I got the money, like, I still do not see myself spending $1,000 on a pair of sneakers. Like, I just can't do it, man. But if you guys can, more power to you. I can do it, and I'm not doing it, bro. I tell myself every day, man, you better not spend no more than, I got a limit, bro. I feel like I got a limit. My limit has to be around, probably like 7, like right now, 700. I can't see myself stepping over the $700 price range, and 700 is steep. I don't remember the last time I spent I don't think I ever spent $700 on a pair of shoes, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the Off-White 5. I think I paid 7 something for the Off-White 5s, maybe like 6. I'm not too sure. But if you start talking like, a little bit past the 650, 675, touch the 700s, your boy DeVintage gonna let you guys have it. I'm putting the pictures up, but you won't see him in the drop fronts or nowhere behind me. But hold on, I think that I do believe that these were going for like $600, $700, on a resale before the restock, and I was about to go out there and pay that because I really wanted them. Haven't worn them yet. Of course, it's hot as hell here in Georgia, but in the wintertime, I'm telling you, I'm breaking these things out and getting some fits. Go crazy with it, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Let me know what you guys think about Jordan Brand going crazy with the Jordan 1 UNLAs. Are they ruining Chicago colorway? Do you just want a true OG form Air Jordan 1 Chicago? I know me, I do. I only have 1 pair lost and found. So I've been killing these things up almost weekly, bro. I'm always putting these things on for some reason. But let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. Cannot wait to read you guys' comments. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.